मैं one second.
Audio is lost.
Yeah.
No, that is because he's not saying anything.
How to share the screen?
Sir,
So there is
sir,
one icon called present now.
Present.
Below. Yeah. Can
on
you
the
see
bottom
that
right,
at the
right
bottom
of the screen.
right side? There's an icon called present screen. A box with an arrow showing upwards.
That is there.
Can you see, turn on caption?
This is present now.
Yes, present now.
Sir, just click on that, and then it will ask to
Yes.
it will ask to select your screen,
Yes.
which screen you want to share, and then click on that, and it will open. Yes, we are able
Yeah,
to
we
see
can
it.
see now. We
You
can
can
see
see.
all your slides. Yes.
So, good evening, Typography India.
Good evening, sir.
This is Rajiv Prakash, and within 20 minutes, I have to complete my Typo Yatra. This is very tough, and especially talking about R.K. Joshi in 20 minutes. But I will try. Before that, I would like to tell you what happened before seeing R.K. Joshi. I wanted to become artist, and I tried to join College of Art, Calcutta, but I could not get the admission. Then I joined Mitra Prakashan as lettering artist. And next year, I joined PHU as a student of applied art. And there I spent 6 years learning typography and other subjects. And my special subject was typography, especially in Indian language. And after that, I moved to Bombay, and I had two options. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes, we
So
can
I
all
had
hear
two
you.
options.
All of us can hear you.
Either getting admission in IDC or join ADNC. Luckily, I got admission in IDC. Wow. IDC means the change of life. First time I saw the computer there, I touched it and I met R.K. Joshi. R.K. Joshi means changing the life. He changed my life. There I learned skill and technology both. And in IDC, I was learning typography and other subject, but main subject was font designing. R.K. Joshi inspired me like anything. He taught me typography from lettering, calligraphy, digital typography, and beyond that. I did number of projects under R.K. Joshi. Main project was designing a typeface which is similar to Helvetica. I designed Prakash typeface there. First, I designed dot matrix typeface in NCST. And after that, laser font, Prakash typeface, bold font of Prakash typeface. And these typefaces were very popular in market. So you must be knowing APS software. I developed many typefaces for APS software. These are the some examples. These are the CDs of that time, very old time. And this, can you imagine what is this? This is there in IIT. My typeface, can you imagine what happens when you see your typeface on signage, on the road, on shops, or especially where you have studied? This typeface is the signage mode of signage part of this Sanganak Vigyan, I don't know, Abhendragi Vibhag, Nav It is in IIT Bombay. Same thing. I developed many typefaces. These are the examples: Alankar, and lower one is Dushyant font for G News. And now I am working as art director in Daily Press, where I am handling around 30 magazines. These magazines are being published in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Bangla, Marathi, Gujarati, and Hindi. And one more magazine is there in Urdu, and English main magazine is Karwan. Besides type design and art direction, I do these different exhibitions on fonts and all. And very rarely, but I do calligraphy demonstration also. Is again some example. So R.K. Joshi changed my life like anything. Before joining IDC, I was just a commercial artist. I was a lettering artist and not very good calligrapher, but I was very good lettering artist. So when I joined IDC, RK told me design some good typefaces. So I got the chance to design a typeface under RK Joshi, where I have learned so many things. He said, before joining typeface, you do the research on Nirnay Sagar. You must have heard, you all are typographer, designer, you must be knowing Nirnay Sagar. I went to Girgaon, I met Nirnay Sagar persons, and I bought some books also. I studied how they have designed so many beautiful books using beautiful typefaces developed by Jaoji Dadaji, and those typefaces are very inspiring. And now I will tell you about the Rakru font. What is basically Rakru font? When I was doing project in NCST, that time RK Joshi was busy to develop typeface on a special technology that was Indian language typeface development on skeleton basis. I did not get that much information what is skeleton basis, but after some time I knew this is the real technology. If you design a typeface on skeleton basis, and with that skeleton you can develop number of weights with a quick time. So see, this typeface is based on skeleton. Can you see this skeleton is Punar Jagran? The center line is the core skeleton of our Rakru font. This is the Rakru font basically. So Rakru font means this has the I have learned type design from Nirnay Sagar as well as RK Joshi. So both the things you can see in this font. This is the again example of and this typeface is based on Unicode. Earlier we used to design typeface with limited codes. 256 characters codes were there, and in that 256 number of codes we were using for control and all. Around 180 codes we used to use for developing whole typeface, and 180 codes for Devanagari. It was just impossible, and the whole system was very crude. Matras were not matching perfectly, Rakar were not matching perfectly, conjunct, forget conjunct, conjunct scene was very bad. But after Unicode, the scene has changed. You can develop unlimited glyphs, unlimited characters. See here, one Ga is there, and second Ga, when Rakar is there, the actual Ga becomes smaller. And this we have learned from Nirnay Sagar. And for this, I would like to thank Sunil Khullar. Sunil Khullar asked me, Raju, let us do something for this golden jubilee. And I had that time, when we met first time for this typeface meeting, I had 15 months. So Khullar used to call me in Gurgaon, and we used to meet, and he used to offer me beer. So in 12 months, I developed this typeface, and in daytime, I used to work in Daily Press, and in night, I used to develop this typeface. So this typeface, whole typeface was developed in night, and there was a pressure, not peer pressure. It was beer pressure. Khullar asked me many times, come to Gurgaon, we used to have beer, and I was under beer pressure. So this typeface was developed, and I will thank Khullar. He asked me, you should use Unicode. You should take advantage of Unicode, where number of characters are there. So why I am showing this example? See this ga. When you see left ga and right ga, the actual ga, the next ga is smaller size, because we have to match, we have to accommodate rakar there. And this I have seen in Nirnay Sagar. See, beautiful characters we can design in Unicode, because limitation is not there. Earlier, there were multiple limitations. So I would like to show some more examples. See, the advantage of skeleton based font. This is the same font which we have developed using skeleton. See, this is the typeface. I have used earlier Fontographer, Font Lab, and so many software. But in those software, skeleton.
But Rajiv, we are seeing only the last page of your presentation, your photograph.
Pardon? Can't.
What I can see is only the PowerPoint presentation, last slide with your photo on it.
Can't you see this CorelDRAW file?
No,
No,
I
sir.
cannot see.
Sir, can you stop sharing and share again?
Can you stop?
Okay.
Can you
Stop.
close the PowerPoint file?
Okay. Can you see the now? Can you see now?
Not yet, sir.
Let me see. No. No, can you click on present again? Present now again.
Okay. Present now, yes. Windows
Yes.
and CorelDRAW. Share. Now,
Yes, yes, sir. It's
can
coming
you
up
see?
now. Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes. I have seen.
see, this typeface is based on skeleton, as earlier I told you. In same skeleton, you can create number of weights. This is the wireframe, basically. And when you see in enhanced mode, and how I have developed different characters. See. So this way, this font was developed using CorelDRAW, and two teams were working. I was working on CorelDRAW, and other Khullas team was working on FontLab. They used to test it. They used to tell me the bugs. I used to fix the bugs. Again, they used to correct it. And so this way, the whole time, 1 year took for developing this font. Now,
Rajiv, we have lost you. आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
हाँ.
नहीं वो बात नहीं कर रहा है इसलिए.
हाँ, अभी सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ, सुनाई दे रहा है. हाँ, अभी देख रहे
हाँ, दिख रहा है ना? तो ये है कि किस तरह से ये टाइपफेस डेवलप किया गया, और इसमें आरके जोशी और निर्णय सागर दोनों लोग इस फॉर्म के अंदर आपको दिखाई देंगे. और जैसा कि बताया गया कि आरके जोशी के बारे में क्या कहा जाए. एक बचपन की याद अपनी आती है. कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था कि सब धरती कागज करूं, लेखन ही सब बन रहा है, और 7 समुद्र की मस करूं, गुड़गुड़ लिखा ना जाए. मतलब कि सारी धरती को अगर मैं कागज बना दूं, और सारे जंगलों की लकड़ियों से मैं अगर लेखनी बना दूं, और सारे समुद्र को अगर मैं स्याही बना दूं, आरके जोशी के बारे में लिखा जाएगा वो कम है. ये है राकरू फॉन्ट एंड आरके जोशी, जिन्होंने हमारे लाइफ में चेंज किया, और जो भी आज मैं हूं, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ आरके जोशी एंड आईडीसी. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much, Rajiv. I will open it for Q&A now. Whoever wants to ask any questions, feel free to ask. Rajiv, would you please come out of that thing presenting?
Okay.
Yeah. I request all the members, whatever questions you have, feel free to ask. We have the next few minutes for question answer session.
अभी मैं कुछ और बोलना चाहूंगा कि बंबई में आने पर आरके जोशी के अलावा और भी बहुत सारे महान हस्तियां हैं जिनका प्रभाव मेरे ऊपर पड़ा है. तो बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनसे हम कभी मिले ही नहीं, लेकिन उनके काम को मैंने देखा है. अभी आप शेडगे जी की बात कर रहे हैं, तो जब मैं वीएसएस कंप्यूटर में काम कर रहा था, तो शेडगे जी की हेडलाइंस देख के लगता था कि ये फॉन्ट कब बनेंगे. Who will make these fonts? So many styles Mr. Shedge is having that time. But
yes.
There is a treasure, big treasure for future designers. And अच्युत पल्लव जी, मैं उनसे कभी मिला नहीं, लेकिन बहुत ही इंस्पायर करते हैं मुझे लाइफ में वो, और बहुत ही मजा आता है उनका काम देख करके मुझे. संतोष क्षीरसागर,
he is attending.
I know he is attending. संतोष क्षीरसागर के काम को देख करके बहुत मजा आता है. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि अपने आप को टाइप डिजाइनर नहीं बोलते, बट उन्होंने टाइप डिजाइन की फील्ड में बहुत बड़ा काम किया है. जैसे खुल्लर ने टाइपोग्राफी में इतना बड़ा काम किया कि उन्होंने वेंचुरा के ऊपर एफएक्स नाम का एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप किया था कि आप जो है वेंचुरा में देवनागरी में कैसे मल्टीपल इफेक्ट्स ला सकते हैं. और उस समय पोस्टस्क्रिप्ट लैंग्वेज के वो मास्टर थे. वो पता नहीं क्या क्या करते थे, हमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था कि इसका क्या यूज होगा, लेकिन कस्टमर उसको यूज करते थे. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने टाइपोग्राफी में काम किया और उनका मेरी लाइफ पर बहुत असर पड़ा है। तो मैं उनको थैंक यू बोलूंगा कि परोक्ष और अपरोक्ष, डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली मैंने बताया कि पल्लव जी से मैं कभी नहीं मिला, लेकिन पल्लव जी का काम देख के मुझे बहुत मजा आता था। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनसे कि आप जो है ना कभी मिल नहीं पाते हैं, और लेकिन उनके काम से आप बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं। तो लाइफ में अभी आगे जो जनरेशन आ रही है उनके लिए बहुत मसाला है काम करने के लिए। इतनी डिमांड है फॉन्ट्स की, इतनी डिमांड है कि आप इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते। कि मैं कहीं भी जाता हूं तो चाहे वो टीवी चैनल हो, चाहे वो मैगजीन हो, वो पहले हमसे बोलता है एक टाइपफेस डेवलप करो मेरे लिए। तो मैं उससे पूछता हूँ कि कब चाहिए, तो दे दो, 15-20 दिन में दे दो बना के। तो मैं उसको बोलता हूँ कि राजीव प्रकाश को 1 साल लगता है टाइपफेस डेवलप करने में, साल अगर होगा तो बात करेंगे। कुछ कस्टमर के पास साल होता है तो उनके लिए कर भी देते हैं। कि एक कस्टमर थे पंजाब केसरी, उन्होंने कहा ले लो 1 साल ले लो। 1 साल दे दिया उन्होंने हमको, मजे का पैसा भी दिया, और मैंने उनको 6 महीने में फॉन्ट बना के दिया। और खुल्लर साहब के यहाँ मैं काम करता था उस समय, और मजा आ गया। ऐसे भी कस्टमर होते हैं जो कि फ्री हैंड दे देते हैं और उनके लिए काम करते हैं, मजा आता है। और काम कर रहे हैं और लोगों को काम करवाने में मजा भी आ रहा है। तो आगे की टाइप डिजाइनर्स के लिए बहुत बढ़िया टाइम है कि चाहे वो टेलीफोन कंपनी हो। आप देखिए नई नई मोबाइल सर्विसेज वाले लोग आ रहे हैं, दे से आई वांट माय टाइपफेस स्पेशली फॉर मी, डू समथिंग, कुछ तो नया करके दे दो। तो उनके लिए हम लोग कर रहे हैं काम, एंड बढ़िया है, फ्यूचर बहुत मजेदार है। आप लोग काम करिए। थैंक यू। कोई क्वेश्चन हो पूछिए उसको, अगर मैं
I have a question, Rajiv sir.
यस
So the thing is, when a student is doing a font design project,
यस
when a student is doing a font design project, they get maximum 4 or 5 months.
यस
So many of them find the time frame too less to work because they have to learn the software, they have to learn the nuances of font design, the structure and form and all that.
यस
So, what do you have an advice for the budding, the emerging font designers who are students who want to take up font design as a profession?
सबसे पहले तो मैं कहूँगी, आपने बोला 4 महीने हैं, तो 4 महीने में 4 महीने के दिन भी हो, 4 महीने की रात भी है, तो बेसिकली वो 8-9 महीने हैं। जब आप टाइप डिजाइन करते हैं तो भूल जाइए आपको सोना है, ये पागलपन है, इसमें आपको नींद नहीं आएगी। आप समझ रहे हैं?
सही बात है, सही बात।
टाइप डिजाइन, व्हेन यू डू टाइप डिजाइन, ये इश्क है। जैसे तरह से इश्क में नींद उड़ जाती है ना, वैसे ही टाइप डिजाइन में भी नींद उड़ जाती है। तो ये टाइप डिजाइन में आपको नींद नहीं आएगी। और कोशिश कीजिए कि जो एक्सपर्ट लोग हैं उनसे वो सीखे। तो जो खुद एक्सप्लोर करने वाला है, उसमें अगर उसको 2 महीने लगने वाले हैं, वो एक्सपर्ट से सीखेगा तो वो 15-20 दिन में, वो ट्रायल एरर नहीं करना पड़ेगी, 15-20 दिन में वो कोर नॉलेज लेगा टाइप डिजाइन की। वो बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जो सीख चुका है उससे सीखोगे ना। आप तो स्टूडेंट हैं, आपको दूसरे से सीखने में कोई शर्म नहीं। शर्म करोगे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगी। तो दूसरे एक्सपर्ट से सीखिए, एक्सपर्ट से सीखिए। आप एक्सपर्ट्स को बुलाइए और उनसे कहिए कि इनको जो है ना ज्ञान दो। ये भटक जाएगा। अगर सॉफ्टवेयर को खुद एक्सप्लोर करेगा तो भटक जाएगा वो। तो वो वही चीज सीखे जो कि काम की है, और एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, बाकी स्पेशल इफेक्ट के लिए तो जिंदगी पड़ी हुई है। फॉन्ट डिजाइन करने के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट फॉर दैट ही विल हैव टू आस्क एक्सपर्ट्स ओनली। और फिर इसके अलावा मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा था, दिन और रात में ही काम करना पड़ेगा। आप जाओ जी दादाजी के बारे में सोचिए कि वो सुबह 4 बजे उठ करके फॉन्ट की टेस्टिंग किया करते थे। वो बहुत लंबी कहानी है, उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, कभी और टाइम मिलेगा बताएंगे कि वो कैसे फॉन्ट टेस्टिंग करते थे, उनकी बेंच मार्किंग क्या थी। वो रात में करते थे फॉन्ट, क्योंकि ऋषि मुनि ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में वेद पठन किया करते थे, तो वो बोलते थे मेरा फॉन्ट ऐसा होना चाहिए जो कि लालटेन की लाइट में पढ़ा जा सके, तो उसके लिए रात चाहिए और लालटेन चाहिए। तो दिन और रात भूल जाइए, यू हैव टू वर्क 24 आवर्स। कभी मौका मिले तो सो लेना, नहीं तो फॉन्ट डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा। तो yes, that is there.
Any other questions? Feel free to ask questions. Anybody?
Hello. Hello.
Manoj, please.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. The question is that one: how do you manage the stem width of multiple weights in CorelDRAW?
Multiple weights.
Yeah, from the normal to bold. So you are taking the font from from CorelDRAW to FontLab or Fontographer. How do you, when you design the font in CorelDRAW, how do you manage
Yes.
the weight of the stem width?
See, when you design a font on skeleton basis,
Yeah.
so suppose you give the pen width of the pen 0.4 pixel or 0.4 inch, sorry, 0.4 inch, and after that you convert that skeleton in object and then make EPS and import in FontLab.
Okay.
Okay.
So when
one weight will be for 0.4 inch, second weight will be for 0.2 inch, and make the object, convert that skeleton into object and export as EPS. This is this formula I have used.
Okay, so
this is working properly.
So each and every character, you have to do on the same way.
Yes. See, this is the crude method of developing font.
Okay.
Why I have developed? Because R.K. Joshi was using Vinyas technology, so I thought I should also try that. But this is not the way.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
This is one of the.
Manoj, I will add something.
Yeah, Sri.
Manoj, I'll add something here.
Yeah.
I don't know if Santosh has joined us or no. If Santosh has joined, I think there are only 2 people in this entire group who has worked in Vinyas.
Yes.
So R.K. sir was part of a team from NCST.
Yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah. So Professor R.K. believed that font creation software which follows the spine and flesh model.
Yeah, even now also people work on the same way, for the outline and from the outline, skeleton, and expand the skeleton into stem width, whatever the weight you want it, and then go ahead. So you get a proper.
But that time, when we are talking about the 90s, there was no other software available.
Absolutely.
Which you can design a spine and then add flesh to it.
Yeah.
And using the same spine, we could assign a flat brush and we can specify the angle also.
Yeah.
So that was very beautiful thing in Vinyas, that you can keep on you just copy the spine into different files, and then you can assign different brushes to it, and you can create different weights and widths of the font. Only thing is, then we have to do a lot of fine tuning of the joinery.
Yes. Lot of work is required after that.
Yes. So I was one of the very few people who have worked in Vinyas to create a font, and that time it was not supporting a mouse.
Yeah.
So now it looks like, it sounds like a fairy tale when you say that you designed the font without using a mouse.
Yeah.
People will think that you are lying, you are bluffing,
Yeah.
And those days, you had to specify only the points, the anchor points, and then the software will make the curve. That was the spine.
Yeah.
And then you have to assign a brush. So you can assign a 45-degree brush for the Devanagari script. And you can do a lot of experiments trying out different brushes, or you can use a monolinear brush or a brush with rough edges or elliptical brush. And so RK used to do a lot of experiments using the same spine and different brushes. So many times I had the opportunity to sit with him and we used to work together. So he used to copy the same spine into different folders and then open it in Vinyas and then assign different brushes to each one and save different ones. So you will see one with a different angle of the brush, 4 different weights. Then you will see the same spine used in monolinear. So a lot of this kind of experiments was possible in Vinyas, but
Yeah.
the thing is that there are many places where you need to control the outline which was not there. Yeah, so now Glyph is offering and PondLab is also offering that facility. You can design the spine, then add a brush or you can add spine to
even photographer is giving this.
Photographer was also giving.
Yeah.
Photographer
Yeah,
was giving a angular pen. So
Yes.
you that time
Yes.
also we used to define the angle
Yeah.
that was there.
The great guru of photographer is Rajiv Prakash, and he is the one who taught me photography. So he is still now photographer. So there are a lot of people who still work in photographer and have not migrated to PondLab or Glyph.
Yeah, actually, Font Forge is also one of the best software which is freely available.
Yes,
on the open
Font
source.
Forge is very popular now.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Rajiv ji,
Hmm.
Rajiv ji,
Yes.
Karambir
बोलिए।
Singh is there. Karambir Singh is also there in the
हाँ
group.
मैं देख रहा हूँ करमवीर को मैं देख रहा हूँ। करमवीर ने बहुत काम किया अपनी लाइफ में और कई
बहुत काम किया है.
अच्छे
Good evening, sir.
And
हाँ नमस्कार।
he is one of the Karambir Singh is one of the rarest people in India who has worked with piano rolls and one of the
हाँ,
greatest legends
yes.
in the area of typography.
Thank you,
आज
sir.
भी एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा, आज भी इंडिया का बेस्ट टाइपफेस जो चल रहा है मार्केट में वो फाइनर रॉस द्वारा बनाया हुआ है। अच्छी मैगजीन्स चाहे वो किसी की भी हो, मैं किसी का नाम नहीं लूंगा, अच्छी मैगजीन्स अच्छे टाइपफेस लिस्ट बनाएंगे, आज भी नंबर 1 टाइपफेस फाइनर रॉस का है इंडिया में।
Sir, I have a different.
Exactly.
Bengali Gitanjali.
गीतांजलि, यस,
Bengali.
Malayalam Panchari.
Yeah, Malayalam normal.
Malayalam
Yes.
Panchari.
Yeah.
सारे
Panchari.
फॉन्ट, सारे लाइनो टाइप के सारे टाइपफेस बेस्ट।
Yes, sir. I am in the team of the Foreigner Rose developed for ABP.
वाओ,
From the
एबीपी,
summit.
हाँ,
Yeah,
ओके,
yeah. Sir.
ओके, अरे वाह।
Around
Now, Manoj,
96, 97.
Manoj, you were saying something.
No. Actually, what I was like, is a bit debatable point. So I think maybe we can discuss it later on this point.
Okay. So now we will move on to the next part of the agenda, that we lost one of the real great typographers and calligraphers in
श्री
Devanagari. Yes.
मैं कुछ बोलना चाहूंगा कि
बोलिए हाँ बोलिए.
कि स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से कोई क्वेश्चन आया नहीं।
That is what I was wondering, why students are feeling very shy to ask.
नो,
Students, please, you have any questions to ask
ask
Rajiv?
anything, ask, not from me, ask anything। ये बहुत एक्सपर्ट लोग यहाँ पर हैं इस समय। तो
आजकल students को बहुत they feel always they feel shy to ask.
नहीं, they know,
Sai, Anjan,
Rajiv ji,
and I request the students to ask some questions.
हाँ जी बोलिए।
हमारे ग्रुप में students
no, actually,
हैं.
can you, Rajiv ji,
हाँ जी बोलिए।
can you little elaborate about your work on the dot matrix printers? Actually, for the students over is there, I think that is good.
Yeah, I'll tell you. In 1988, it was my summer project in NCST,
Okay.
and that time RK told me you have to develop a bold typeface for dot matrix printer.
Right.
Normal was already there,
Yeah.
so I had to develop bold typeface for dot matrix printer. It was very tough, and I knew the output will be very crude,
Yes.
and which I would not like it, but I had to develop. I designed multiple uh, my characters. The whole list I developed, and it was 14 pin, 14 dots were there that time. In 14 dots, I had to develop the whole character, and it was very tough. And the output was not very good, but I had to do. So I completed that project in 2 months' time, and that time I and SK was developing for Odia, and I was developing for Devanagari. We both used to go to NCST from IT, and in 2 months I completed that.
Actually, I was coming to that point. SK had done a lot of work on the dot matrix printer
Yes.
when he was in CIRAC. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Karampir is supposed to do that.
हेलो
Yeah.
हेलो
Yes.
हाँ बोलिए
हेलो
हाँ बोलिए करमबीर।
सर मैं कोई मतलब ऐसे क्वेश्चन नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि राजीव प्रकाश जी का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज्यादा है। मेरी सिर्फ एक जिज्ञासा थी कि आप अगर वो जो ये आपने लिखा गुरु श्री गुरु जो लिखा हुआ है, स्क्रीन दोबारा से दिखाएंगे? मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है उसके ऊपर बेस है सर। हेलो
हाँ, दिखा रहा हूँ।
गुरु श्री गुरु।
या अभी आप देख रहे हैं?
जी सर, जी सर। मेरा इसमें मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पर श्री को थोड़ा सा हैवी कर दिया, इसका कोई रीजन था? आगे का जो पार्ट है श्री का, और गए और रू, तो ये श्री को थोड़ा सा हैवी कर दिया, तो इसका कोई स्पेशली कोई रीजन था या ज्यादा हैवी, मतलब इसका क्या कारण?
मैं बताता हूँ। जब हम कलम से लिखते हैं,
जी सर,
जब हम कलम से लिखते हैं, देखिए ये मैं सॉफ्टवेयर में ठीक कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन वो मजा खत्म हो जाएगा कि जब हम कलम से लिखते हैं तो कलम में हॉरिजॉन्टल, वर्टिकल एंड डायगोनल तीनों लाइनों की विड्थ अलग होती है।
जी सर।
एंड वो उसकी नेचुरलिटी है। वो लकड़ी की बोरू, लकड़ी की कलम की उस कलम के एंगल की ब्यूटी है। और अगर मैं चाहूं तो इसको सॉफ्टवेयर से ठीक कर दूंगा, लेकिन ठीक कर दूंगा ना वो थोड़ी चीटिंग हो जाएगी।
नहीं सॉरी, मैं इसलिए पूछा कि यहाँ पर कोई इसके हैवी बनाने का इसका स्पेशली कोई रीजन रहा हो।
नहीं, उसको मैं छेड़ूंगा नहीं
कि अपना श्री मतलब श्री इम्पोर्टेंट है या गुरु इम्पोर्टेंट है,
कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं। वो कलम का खेल है।
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू
कलम का खेल है। हाँ,
थैंक यू सर।
हाँ जी।
Can you start with? We are running out of time. Could you please start? I will hand it over to Professor Sangeeta Patil. She will be talking about Kamal Shidge sir. Sangeeta ma'am, would you please start? We are running short of time because Google Meet allows only 1 hour.
Yes. There can. Thank you, Rajiv sir. It was a wonderful presentation. Those students did not speak, but I think they must have definitely gathered some knowledge out of your presentation. Am I audible? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We can hear you.
Yes. There cannot be any other platform other than Typography India. Among the people who love letters, typography, calligraphy, it's a tribute from my side, from Viva to Shedge sir. In my last annual art exhibition, we felicitated Shri Shedge sir, and he accepted the honor at his residence due to his health. So I have a clip of that felicitation to share, where we get to see him, a humble soul. So I will just say a few lines in honor to Shedge sir in Marathi. मराठीमध्ये माझ्यासाठी मला बोलायचं आहे आज, कारण मराठीमध्ये त्यांच्याबद्दल बोलले नाही तर मला चांगलं नाही वाटणार. इट विल नॉट बी कम्प्लीट. कमीत कमी शब्दात योग्य तो परिणाम साधणं नव्हे तर अतिशय नाट्यपूर्णरित्या साधणं ही सरांची हत होती. टायटल कंपोजिशन या क्षेत्रात कलेच्या कोणत्याही औपचारिक शिक्षण न घेता टायपोग्राफी, कॅलिग्राफी, लेटरिंगच्या माध्यमातून 6हून अधिक दशके गाजवणारा असा हा अक्षर सम्राट, अक्षर यात्री अक्षय सम्राट म्हणेन मी, हेच माझ्या मते योग्य विशेषण आहे त्यांना. त्यांची टायटल्स बोलतात असा भास मला होतो. एवढं नाट्य त्यांच्या शब्दरचनेत असतं. अबोल स्वभावाचे असे आमच्या समोर तरी ते आम्हाला असे वाटले की अबोल स्वभावाचे परंतु बोल भावना आपल्या अविस्मरणीय रचनेतून व्यक्त करणाऱ्या असामान्य प्रतिभेला श्री कमल शेडगे यांस मी व माझ्या सहकाऱ्यांकडून भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजली अर्पण करते. I would like to share the clip. Rishabh, I need some help. Here after presenting, the data is in my mobile. So I'm not getting another option here.
I'm not sure about how it works on mobile.
Okay. Should I switch on to my laptop? Because laptop I of course no. Just a moment. Okay.
Hi Sangeeta ma'am,
Yeah.
I can help you. You'll have to exit the app and open your gallery and start playing the video. While the
when I
video is playing,
Hmm.
yes,
When I open my when I go to open my gallery, I will have to
yes,
switch 1 second. Can you still see me?
yes.
Okay,
You'll
1
have to
second.
exit the app. The app will be exited and the video will start playing.
Okay. 1 second. You just stay on.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you all see this?
Yes, we can.
Okay. This is visible and audible?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
We can see this, but we are not able to hear the sound.
The
1
sound is
second.
not there.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's not audible.
It's not audible. Oh my God. I can hear it. I mean, 1 second.
The video audio.
Because I am on a Bluetooth. I think I'll put off my Bluetooth so that it will be.
Excuse me, madam. You have to disconnect your audio, that is whatever Bluetooth headset, and put it in horizontal mode, ma'am.
Can you all hear this?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Audio is not there.
No.
Audio still not there. Achha, I forgot. I'm off my Bluetooth now.
Ma'am, can you forward this clip to me? I can also play this from my laptop, if that's okay.
Yeah. What's your email? I'll just mail it to you.
Okay. It's AA Rishabh. Wait, I think I'll ping you on WhatsApp. Then you can get it.
You can chat it here. Chat. You can put it in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Rishabh, have you received the email?
Let me check. Not yet. Yeah, I got it.
What? I sent both the.
Just a minute. I'll play it. Is this visible to everyone?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Audio is still not there.
Sorry. Sorry, you were saying something?
I was saying audio is still not there.
Okay.
Hi guys. So Google Slides does not really like when you're presenting on Meet, it will not take your audio unless it is in a presentation, and then you have to sort of play. Yeah, sometimes it's an error. Very few times it will play.
Okay. Okay, fine. You can. I mean, this is there's just some power behind it. You can play this, but the other one there's no point because I think my Mamta Raut can read the Salman Patra after this.
We have only 6 minutes remaining.
Okay, okay. Just play this.
Sure, ma'am.
5 minutes.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
So maybe you can share your experience of meeting him. That will be good.
I will share the video on the group, sir.
Yeah. So now
Yeah,
for the next
thank
4 minutes, if you can share your experience meeting him, meeting Kamal Shetge sir, that will be good.
We met the day we met Mr. Kamal Shetty. The day we felicitated him. It was 20 2nd February 20. So he wrote that on a piece of paper, and that is when we all realized we are there. I mean, it was a very different day, and he was very humble, and he was actually taken back, and he was impressed, and very thankful to the organization and all of us that we came. And he had that one thing in mind. त्यांची एक खंत होती की त्यांचं काम 6 दशकांच्या वरती त्यांनी काम केलेलं आहे या फील्डमध्ये, आणि कुठल्याही कलेचं काही औपचारिक शिक्षण न घेता
पण अविरत काम म्हणजे ज्या दिवशी ही पास्ट अवे त्याच्या आदल्या दिवशी रात्री सुद्धा वेन आय स्पोक टू हिज फॅमिली मेंबर ही वॉज वर्किंग ऑन सम लोगो डिझाईन. तर त्यांचं जेवढं काम आहे, त्यांची जी प्रतिभा आहे, त्याला म्हणजे आता त्यांच्या मुलांनी पण हे सांगितलं की त्यांचं तेवढं रेकग्निशन त्यांना मिळालं नाही. पण नेव्हरदलेस आपण त्यांच्या कामाच्या स्वरूपामध्ये त्यांना सतत स्मरण करत राहू. मला असं वाटतं की तीच त्यांच्यासाठी सगळ्यात मोठी श्रद्धांजली होईल. आणि आमच्या कॉलेजमध्ये आम्ही वॉलवरती त्यांचं एक कोलाज करून लावलेलं आहे. त्यांचं वर्क आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आणि त्यांच्याबद्दल आम्ही काही लिहिलेलं आहे आणि ते आमच्याकडनं त्यांच्यासाठी श्रद्धांजली असेल असं मला वाटतं. आणि खूप इन्स्पिरेशनल असं त्यांचं व्यक्तिमत्व होतं. वर्कहॉलिक होते ते. इंग्लिश आणि इंग्लिशमध्ये पण त्यांनी काम केलंय आणि मराठीमध्ये तर केलंच आहे. त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त हिंदीमध्ये पण त्यांनी काम केलेलं आहे. म्हणजे असे मूवीज आहेत जे आपल्याला माहित पण नाही आहेत आणि त्यांची टायटल्स सरांनी केलेली आहेत. म्हणजे एवढं सगळं काम असताना कधीही कुठे इंटरव्ह्यू नाही, कधीही कुठे बोलणं नाही. हा त्यांचा मोठेपणा होता. त्यांनी जे काही दाखवायचं होतं, जे काही सिद्ध करायचं होतं ते त्यांनी त्यांच्या कामातनं दाखवलं. तर मला असं वाटतं की आम्ही खूप नशीबवान, वी आर व्हेरी फॉर्च्युनेट टू हॅव हिम फेलिसिटेटेड अँड इट वॉज अ लास्ट आय थिंक फेलिसिटेशन ऑफ हिज लाईफ ऑल्सो फ्रॉम विवा अँड ही वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी. ही वॉन्टेड टू कम ऍक्च्युली, पण त्यांना खूप वेळ गाडीमध्ये बसून ट्रॅव्हल करता येत नव्हतं. त्याच्या आधी अच्युत पालव सरांच्या प्रोग्राममध्ये त्यांचं फेलिसिटेशन झालं होतं 2 वर्षापूर्वी. त्यावेळेला ते पण त्यांनी सांगितलं की त्यावेळेला मी जाण्याच्या परिस्थितीत होतो, त्याच्यामुळे त्यावेळेला मी गेलो, पण आता यावेळेला नाहीये. तर दॅट्स ऑल आय थिंक अबाउट हिम. थँक्यू सर, थँक्यू JV sir. There cannot be any other platform
Thank you.
to talk about him among the
Thank you very much.
typography.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
It will be great if you
Thank you,
can,
ma'am.
ma'am, if you can share the visuals also in the group with all of us.
I will share the visual and the Samman Patra, both. Yeah, I have a lot of his videos.
Because I remember
Actually, he has given me, he was such a humble person and he trusted us immediately. On that first meeting, he gave us 20 of his original artworks. They are still lying in my custody in my college. I was supposed to go and return back to him, and he had invited me, he had called me, but I think before that only he was not keeping well and we lost him. I have all his original
I saw
works.
the big poster you had made for him.
Yeah. I will share.
I saw the big poster in your college with his work.
Yes.
I think we will be logging out in a minute time because Google doesn't allow more than an hour, I think.
Okay.
So we are 5:59. Yeah. So thank you very much. Thank you all of you to join our program. It is very nice and thank you. And it is a very important thing that this is the only forum for all typography enthusiasts to meet. So we will be meeting up on the 25th. So Rishabh will be taking care of that because 25th I have a MDes interview, so I will not be able to join it. Rishabh will handle everything, and I will explain. I will send you the details about the speaker also. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank
All
you,
of
Shri.
you too. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very
Bye.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, JV sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.